Okay.
One moment.
Here it is. 1, 2, 3. Happy Teachers Day.
Oh my God. That's so awesome. Tomorrow is Teachers Day. Thank you, Alia.
That's so lovely.
We want to represent something from all the kids. Okay?
Yes.
That's so beautiful, Jimshai. Like, we are so touched, actually.
Okay. So, a speech from Alia. Okay.
So happy. We are so happy. Thank you.
Yeah, she want to tell a speech.
Please go ahead.
Okay.
Good morning, class. We, our teacher, happy Teachers Day. Today is September 5th. Birthday of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. He was second president of India and great scholar and teacher. Our teacher's name is Pooja ma'am and Sudha ma'am. Teachers care as they love us. They are the backbone of our we will make our teacher proud and future. Thanking you for being our mentors. Happy Teachers Day.
Okay, one more performance is there.
Only
for her teacher.
Amazing. We don't have any words to express.
A dance performance.
If something happens in the class that brings me down and makes me sad, you're there for me. And when I'm stuck and don't know what to do, you're there to guide me. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. I wake up in the morning and I know it's gonna be another fun day. There's not a day that passes by when you don't throw me a smile. I like the way you get me so excited about the things you're gonna teach us. And every day is different 'cause we're learning more and more about life. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Happy Teachers Day.
It's such a lovely gesture. We are so touched and we don't have any word to express actually. It's
Actually-
such a wonderful and it's a like lifetime memory for us now.
And one more thing, there is a gift for you both.
Oh my!
Oh my God. That's great. That's so beautiful.
Thank you so much, Alia and Jimsha, for your efforts, for your thoughts.
Already I draw one rainbow and one flower for my puja ma'am and Papa.
Jimsha and Alia, मतलब when I saw this, मेरे आँख में आंसू आ गया. I just
We'll bring that.
okay. Jimsha, Alia and Sandeep and my small kids. Okay. मतलब ये ऐसा sudden moment था. I couldn't मतलब it's kind of I was in a wonderland where it was like it is your birthday today and you don't know today is your birthday and someone gives you surprise. It was something like that. और really मतलब जिस तरीके से जिमशा और आलिया ने डांस किया, आलिया ने जितने अच्छे से अपना स्पीच प्रेजेंट किया and the way she expressed as Jimsha expressed and Sandeep expressed that we are backbone of her future. It's really heart touching and actually it means because we are aim is that कि ये जो हमारा इनिशियल बच्चों के दिन हैं वो ऐसे रहे हैं कि वो अपना फ्यूचर याद कर पाए कि पूजा मैम और सुधा मैम जैसी एक मैम थी जो हमारी जिंदगी में खुशी और लव लेके आई विद इंटेलिजेंस.
Yes, of course.
So it's really heart touching and the way you danced, both of you, means I started moving. Matlab, it's not just the body was moving, it was heart was so happy. It was just bouncing and bouncing. So really great effort. इतना सारा कुछ बनाने के लिए, इतना डेकोरेशन करने के लिए. It was really the way Sudha said कि उसके लिए कोई words नहीं है, तो इसके लिए सही में कोई words नहीं है.
Actually, we both are so touched and moved with the gesture, with the act, with your speech, everything. It is just giving goosebumps on our body. Like it was so unexpected, but it was so loving, so much of that. I can say gratitude, affection, respect, love. I mean, ये adjectives और adverbs जो है ना वो कम हो जा रहा है add करने के लिए. You expressed your love towards us and the way the kid has expressed herself. It's like we don't have any words. Actually, words बहुत कम हो जाता है express करने के लिए. But हम इतना touched and moved है ना, हम बता नहीं सकते कि कितना खुश हम अंदर से feel कर रहे हैं. Like कितना भी बोलो वो कम ही है actually. Like जितना बोल सकते हैं बोलते रहो लेकिन वो कम ही है. It's so touched and moved. That is what I can say. And all
Okay, I want to say one thing, Sudha. I want to see the performance of dance once again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Once more.
Once more.
Okay.
Thank you, Jimsha, Sandeep and Alia for whatever you did.
Yes, on it.
Jimsha and Sandeep, we thank your efforts. हम लोग आपके efforts इतना डाल इतना सोच दिल से हम लोग thank you बोलना चाहते हैं.
This is not nothing what you people are doing for us.
I mean हम लोग की शक्ति नहीं है actually.
No dear, not as a teacher you are treating the kids, as a parents.
Not only Alia, like it is both of your thoughts, efforts, which you are putting the way you are nurturing herself.
Yes, so we are going to perform once again. Okay.
Look at my new rainbow.
Beautiful.
Come. Sandeep is also joining. Wow.
Oh my God.
I want to tell this song to you because you get with you up there, staying until you really me. If something happens in the class that brings me down and makes me sad, you're there for me. And when I'm stuck and don't know what to do, you're there to guide me. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. I wake up in the morning and I know it's gonna be another fun day. There's not a day that passes by when you don't throw me a smile. I like the way you get so excited about the things you're gonna teach us. And every day is different cause we're learning more and more about life. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher.
Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
Thank you, and we
Sandeep, Jimsha and Alia, like it's amazing and it's a wonderful memory for us. Which we can cherish for our lifetime. Not like years ago, but it's such a amazing thought you left on us. Mind blowing.
oh my God, this is called happiness.
Blessed, and we feel so proud on our students.
Yeah, Alia,
Ourselves.
you both.
That's love.
What is that, Alia?
Rainbow.
Oh, rainbow.
Rainbow for you.
Yes, you
Okay.
all kids are our colorful rainbow. Okay, I would request whosoever parents are there, please come in front of the camera. I just thought it came in my mind. I want to talk about each kids. Jalaja, if you are there, please come on camera. Navya mom, if you are there, please come. Daniel, dad or mom, if whosoever is there, please come. Mukund, mom or dad, whosoever is there, please come over. Shivani, please. Navneetu, please come.
Dad's gone to office.
Papa has gone. Mama, it's okay. Or any of the one is there is fine. Okay, I want to see the parents along with the kids. Navneetu, you can also come in front of the camera. Okay. Navya, mom or dad, whosoever can come in front of the camera. Maybe mama. Mukund, mama or
Papa baby.
Mukund's mama or papa, any of the one. Yeah, it's great celebration today. We felt so touched. I just felt today like these kids are live for us. Today in the morning only I was just singing, listening to the song. Navya, mama, can you call your mama? Yeah, I was just listening to the song and I just saw the faces in my imagination. I saw Mukund, Daniel, yes, they were the naughty kid who came in my mind, and I felt like, oh, these all are the kids who actually make our day. If they are not there, it's not just Mukund, Daniel. If all of you are not there, we can't hear such wind chime sound. So it's really touching. Okay. 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 Here you go.
Excuse, I really appreciate how you all, screams quite a bit.
Yeah,
Like, he keeps calling out your. So, at times I kind of wonder how you can tolerate it. Thank you for.
You handle it very nicely, I should say.
Yes, he's the youngest one, and we handle him very carefully because he is the youngest and he's too far from us. So that is how when he doesn't write and all, we try to find ways. Okay, instead of he's not in the age where he can actually understand proper instruction, but yeah, we can give some few things and which challenge us actually, and then he work on it. So that's how we and Daniel gets connected.
Sleeping girl.
Thank you for that efforts.
Thank you, Lisa. Thank you, Ryan. And I love you. Sudha ma'am loves you, Daniel.
Is that a balloon, Mama?
Look. Okay.
Oh
Without
my God.
Mukund,
No one loves Pooja ma'am and Sudha ma'am even more, you know. You have become a part of family. You are just coming on screen every day, but you stay with us, you know. One new toy, one new dress, everything has to be shown to Pooja ma'am, Sudha ma'am. You are actually a part of family now.
That's so lovely. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
thank you, thank you.
Compliment, Mama.
Very good.
Sorry, you were continuing. Sorry.
Okay, now I want happy. Thank you, not thank you, baby. Okay.
Hello. I want to add something like this. Even it was very beginning for us. Like it is a first experience of online. We are not thought of how it will go, but I wanted to engage her in some activity because almost 3-4 months it was nothing in home. I thought something she will learn. So it is really helped almost 1 hour, minimum 1 hour. She was engaged in a different activity and she start learning. It's really, there is a lot of improvement I have observed here. Thanks for both of you. And once again,
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Really good. We appreciate the way you have observed in such few months. Just few months, the words which you expressed right now. It's something great gift for Teachers Day.
I really one more thing. Because in the online only she is able to recognize, she is engaging so much. In real physical classroom, she will be much more better. I really happy for that.
That's again increasing the skill. Okay.
Hopefully, school will reopen in few more months.
But we are working really hard for online classes as well. We don't want any gap for our kids. And
Thanks a lot for your support, hard working, and the effort with you both that you're giving for all the kids.
Thank you, Jimsha and Sandeep.
Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy.
thank you.
And God bless you both.
Thank you so much.
Okay. the best thing which we are seeing is our parents are really helping us.
Yes.
Without them, it was never been done. No, it cannot be done. If we would have just sent the assignment, parents would have not responded and taken care. Okay, they have to do the homework. They would not have been vocal in audios. Then we would not have achieved today what we are.
Yes, that's true. We really get such a big support from all the parents and especially kids who are cooperating, sitting in front of the cameras, but still they're focusing. It's such a great achievement for all of us. Thank you, one and all.